The wizard tool allows you to search by model numbers. You can quickly sift through millions of service calls and find jobs that were performed on your specific model and then study those job results. Let's take a typical example, a modern Kenmore front-load washing machine. You get the model number off the inside of the door of the washer and then go to the search tool on the wizard and insert the model number. As you begin to type in the model number, the screen will populate with close or exact model numbers matching yours. Hitting the search button will bring up all the service calls on your specific machine and service calls on very similar machines. As you can see, at the top of the list are the most popular repairs on that machine, with a description of the part number, and how often that repair was performed. This information is extremely useful because it gives you an inside peek at what typically goes wrong with the machine and the part number. This is especially valuable if you're unfamiliar with the machine. Obviously, if you look at the percentages of repairs and 30% or 50% all center around one specific part, like a computer board on a fridge or a drain pump on a washer, you know exactly where to focus your efforts. Believe it or not, this search tool gets even better. If you look up to the words exact match, to the right you'll see in blue a link, recommended ? Hit that and it brings up a window into which you type the customer's complaint. Make it a full description so that you'll pick up the words that the customer used when they called in the service call, such as "my washer won't drain" or "my refrigerator won't get cold, it's warm," and then hit the search tool. An amazing thing happens. For that particular complaint, you will find green highlighting. The deepest green is the most popular solution to that complaint, and the faintest and fainter greens are less popular. So now you not only have the complaint, you have the part, and you have the part number, along with popularity of the solution. It's a perfect tool for setting you up before you go and helping you once you're on the job site. Combining this search tool with the other components on the tablet will enable you to solve all of your appliance repair problems.